Just put oil in, got the battery on. I think it's time. Just gonna double check, make sure nothing's in the way. Might even try blade, see what happens. Got plenty of tension. I think we can try it. Daxie, stand back there by the sink. It's alive! Right there. So what's your questions?
Hold on. The saw, the teeth only facing this way.
Yeah, it's because you're only cutting this way. Like you're, so if there was a tree right there, I'm pushing this thing this way. And it's cutting through the tree.